Welcome to Cakes Factory. Today we are celebrating elegance and simplicity with our collection of minimal wedding cake slides. Clean lines, soft textures, and understated beauty, perfect for modern weddings or brides. The next first one is smooth white buttercream cake. Our one tire perfection with smooth white cream and a single rose, yet meaningful, yet minimal. The next is two-tier white cake with greenery. Shocked simplicity with just a touch of eucalyptus leaves. Fresh and elegant. The next is beaded bordered minimal cake. Plain tie bordered with buttercream pearls. Classic and clean. The next is ivory cake with gold flakes. Natural buttercream with scattered edible gold. A hit of luxury without overdoing it. The next is textured white cake with no toppers. Just buttercream texture, no flour, no fuse. Perfect for ultra minimalist pride. The next is one rose minimal cake, one bloom, one tie, one beautiful moment. The next is modern square minimal cake. A square cake in matte white with clean corner and no extra details. Architectural elegance. The next is brushed white and cream cake. Soft brush texture, buttercream in white and ivory hues. Quit luxury. The next is floating tire with white base. Simple white tires separate by clear acrylic to give the illusion of floating elegance. The next is one bloom and gold line cake. A white base with a single floral accent and a gold painted edge. Elegant restraint. The next is tall single tier minimal cake. Extra height, extra elegance, no decoration needed. The next is muted gray and white cake. A two-tone soft gray and white design, subtle, cool, and modern. The next is half wrap greenery cake. Half the cake wraps in a soft wine of green, gentle, and natural. The next is marble minimal cake. White and gray marble effect with no additional floral or toppers. Understated elegance. The next is drape texture cake. Buttercream drape like fabric clean lines that move like silk. These minimalist wedding cakes are proof that less can be so much and more. Whether it's one floor, one line, or one tie, beauty shines in simplicity. Here's how elevate a minimal wedding cake presentation. Use a clean white blush and bake cake stand. Style with candle and a single vase of floral. Let the cake stand alone. No need for clustered decor. Choose natural light and soft draping for the cake table. Which minimalist cake was your favorite? Drop the slide number in the comment below or take a screenshot and share with your friends. Like this video, subscribe to Cakes Factory for more amazing videos or ideas of minimalist cake for weddings, parties, birthdays, or casual parties. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next sweet video with new amazing design. Share this video with someone planning a modern and minimalist wedding. And love your family, friends, and a special one for you in your life. Don't forget to subscribe Cakes Factory for more amazing ideas. Love you all. See you in the next video. Till that, stay sweet and positive.